Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add shake to reveal in Instagram story. So first up, open your Instagram app and then here tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Here on your profile page, tap on the plus icon at the top right. And then once you tap on the plus icon, then tap on story to create a new story. And then scroll down. And from here, you just need to tap on the create, the letter A right here at the left side of your screen. And it will show you up this screen as you can see. And then tap on the sticker icon at the top. And then from here, you will need to select these frames. Or you can basically go to the search box and search for frames. And then from here, you just need to add a caption. So once you've done, you just need to tap on done. And if they actually want to reveal your story, then they will need to shake to reveal the Instagram story. But if you don't find this feature on your Instagram, you will then need to update your application. So to do that, open up your Google Play Store if you're using Android or App Store if you're using iOS device. So in this case, I'm going to open Google Play Store and then I'm going to search for Instagram app. Then if an update button shows up, tap on update. Or if not, you can basically delete your current Instagram application and reinstall it by tapping on the install button. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.